Now, this is a tool called SocialMarker. It's socialmarker.com. It's a free piece of software that you can use, and it will do social bookmarking for you. It advertises a piece of software here called Social Submitter that does 215 accounts. But you can see here the ones that it does. There's many, quite a few there for you. I can't remember exactly how many. It's 49, it says. So there's a fair few. So the thing, before you start using this, you have to go to every single one of these sites and create an account. So you are going to have to either do that yourself or pay someone to do it. But once you've done it, that's it, it's done. So it's very simple to do. You enter your website title here. So website title goes here. So then you enter your URL there. Your text goes in there, so that's a description, and your tags there, they're comma separated, and then you click submit, and what it does is it takes you to the site. Now what it's going to expect you to do, this is not strictly speaking an automated process. Then the basic process, once you've created all of these, is it's going to ask you to log into every single one of the sites. Once you've logged into the site, it produces little buttons down here at the bottom, and you drag and drop them onto the field. So it's not, by any stretch of the imagination, a fully automated solution, but it is an alternative to OnlyWire, and one that I think is actually quite popular. It's a good one to get an outsourcer to do. It really is, and it makes it fairly quick for you to do. And you can see here it comes with a button for putting your website. It comes with other tools as well, so you can see it's not bad. It would take you, they claim it takes you 15 minutes. Once you've got all your accounts set up and you're logged in, it takes 15 minutes to submit your details, so that's not too bad. So there you are, they say 15 minutes. So as I said, for a free service that doesn't require anything other than you just come along to the site, it isn't actually that bad a service, to be perfectly truthful. So all in all, this is a valid alternative to OnlyWire. It's not as fast because you have to do the manual bit, but it's submits to a few more sites. So it's up to you which ones you do. But as I said, I mean, this is the sort of thing you could just pay an outsourcer, you know, $5 or $10 to go through and SocialMarker all your sites for you. You know, it's not going to cost you a lot of money, and I think they'd be happy to do it. So, you know, consider using this instead of OnlyWire. It is, as I said, a very, very valid alternative that does just as good a job. I suppose one of the benefits of this is because you're dragging and dropping the tags, title and description, is you can always vary them slightly by hand if you want to, so that there is some randomization in there, so it looks like different people are putting in the different details for you.